Hello students, welcome to online class. Now we are going to start our same exercise, that is exercise 9.1 from question number 4. So here we have the statement of question number 4, that is the angle of elevation of top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. Let's suppose that this is the tower, and in the statement it is given that from the top of the tower any point on the ground. So suppose that this is ground. Suppose any point on the ground and the top of the tower is making angle of 30 degree from this point, and the same point is at the distance of 30 meter from the foot of the tower. So this is the top of the tower and this is the foot of the tower. From the top of the tower with this point angle is 30 degree, and the same point is at a distance of 30 meter from the foot of the tower. So this is our right angle triangle. Because the tower is always in the vertical position, so we can suppose that this is the angle of 90 degree. So first of all, name this triangle ABC. In this question we have to find out height of the tower. So we can follow the same method in this question because this is also a right angle triangle. So let's do the solution. First of all, we will write the data which is given in this question. Triangle is ABC, angle B is 90 degree, angle C is 30 degree, and the side BC 30 meter, and the height of the tower we have to find out. So follow the same method. हमने पहले डिस्कस किया था कि हम एक पैटर्न इसमें फॉलो कर रहे हैं, दैट इज जिसकी वैल्यू हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है उसको हम न्यूमरेटर में लिखते हैं, और जिसकी वैल्यू हमें गिवन है राइट द टर्म इन द डिनोमिनेटर. आफ्टर दैट we will follow a formula जो हम 8th चैप्टर से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं, PBPHHB. सो फाइंड आउट ये कौन सा फॉर्मूला बनता है. AB फ्रॉम द ट्राइंगल AB इज परपेंडिकुलर एंड BC दिस इज बेस. सो P by B. This is tangent, this is formula of sine, this is cos, and this is tangent. So this is the formula of tangent theta, and theta angle in this triangle is 30 degree. So this is main step of this question. Now put the value which you have given. AB, we don't know the value of AB. BC is 30. टेंजेंट 30, फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ टेंजेंट 30 फ्रॉम द टेबल जो हमने 8.2 में डिस्कस किया था. टेंजेंट 30 इज 1 by square root of 3. We can do here cross multiply. So AB is 30 divided by square root of 30. It can be our final answer, but if in after the solution अगर हमारे फाइनल आंसर में एक टर्म डिनोमिनेटर में है which is in the square root, then you have to do the rationalize. Then our solution is these two terms are same, so we can do here square and square root we can cancel. So 30 square root of 3 and 3 we can cancel these terms. So 10 square root of 3 meter. This is our final answer. So height of the tower is 10 square root of 3. There is no need to put the value of square root of 3. It can be our final answer. So this is question number 4. Now next question, question number 5. Question number 5 is, a kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above from the ground. This is given. Here we suppose a kite. Kite is flying at the 60 meter above from the ground. So this distance is 60 meter. After that, in this question it is given that the strings attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground and it is making an angle of 60 degree. Find the length of the string assuming that there is no slack in the string. So it is given that काइट है, देखो किसी न किसी स्ट्रिंग से इसको टाइट किया गया है और वो जो स्ट्रिंग है उसको ग्राउंड पर किसी पॉइंट पर उसे रखा गया एंड दिस इज मेकिंग एन एंगल ऑफ 60 डिग्री. स्ट्रिंग इज मेकिंग एन एंगल ऑफ 60 डिग्री विद द ग्राउंड एंड एडिशन इट इज गिवन दैट देयर इज नो स्लैक इन द स्ट्रिंग. दैट मीन्स इस स्ट्रिंग को टाइट रखा गया. स्लैक मीन्स यहाँ पर कहीं पर इसे लूज नहीं किया है. It is strictly tied with the point and with the kite. So let's suppose the name of triangle. So this distance is on the vertical position. क्योंकि इस काइट का ग्राउंड से डिस्टेंस मेजर किया है, हाइट मेजर किया है. सो दिस इज in the vertical position. So here we have an angle of 90 degree. So this is a right angle triangle and we can follow the same method in this question. So first of all, write the data which is given. Angle A 90 degree, angle B 60 degree, AC 60 meter and we have to find out value of string. So that means question mark is on BC. So follow the same method. That means जो भी आपको find out करना है, write that term in the numerator. BC given क्या है? AC. Formula BC. BC is hypotenuse. AC. AC is perpendicular. So BC by AC, that means H by P. H by P. This is cosecant. Reciprocal of this. This is the formula of sin theta, but reciprocal is formula of cosecant theta. So this is the rule of cosecant theta, and theta that means angle is here 60 degree. So put the values. This step is main of this question. अगर आपने यहीं पर ही कोई मिस्टेक कर दी है तो आपका फाइनल आंसर करेक्ट नहीं आ सकता. राइट, now put the value. AC, this is 60. Cosecant 60, this is the reciprocal of sin 60, and sin 60 is square root of 3 by 2. So this is 2 square root of 3. Do the cross multiply. It can be our final answer, but do the rationalize, because हम अपने फाइनल आंसर में किसी टर्म को इस तरह से रेशनलाइज में नहीं रख सकते. डू द रेशनलाइज. Cancel square and square root. So 120 square root of 3 and divide by 3. We can cancel 120 divided by 3. 40 square root of 3 meter. So this is our final answer. So this is the length of the string, 40 square root of 3 meter. Okay.